Hello, friends of Frankenstein Motors. Welcome back to a new episode. Apologize, the audio was awful, so we had to retake just the audio, not the video. In the previous episode, we showed you the seat bench of the scrambler, and now, as promised, we have the application for the bobber. So we developed a hard dock attachment to the frame of the R80, in this case, mono-lever, where we have then the plate of the bobber, which goes on top of it. The plate is made of 3mm steel, power coated, so no weight can bend it. You need 20 ton to bend this plate. And we developed this plate for forward and rearward seat adjustment. So depending on how tall you are, you can prefer to adjust the bobber seat a bit more at the front or at the rear, as we're going to show you. This is the seat bench with an amazing central spring, very comfortable, I must say. It is basically a Vespa seat. As you know by now at Frankenstein Motors, we like to use parts from other manufacturers, which you can also find in the second-hand markets. And it helps to keep the transformation or modification of your dream custom on a budget. From the bottom, you see how it gets fixed with 2 screws, the seat itself to the plate and to the sub plate, which fix it to the frame itself. And now we fix the seat, as we said, in the most forward position with a third screw here. It's quite comfortable, as you can tilt the plate for an easier installation from the bottom. Now we have fixed the plate to the frame and the seat to the plate at once. And now we're going to fix the plate to the frame at the side. We drilled hard dock holes in the frame for the attachment to the side. This is the basic structure. As you can see, is already taking shape. We have the space left for a cushion at the back, as well as for something more exotic. Let me show you. So we designed the plate to have these side wings here, which we use for the attachment as follow, with 4 long screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the other side as well. Let's just move the camera to show you better. Once the 4 elements are in place, it just comes the rack for an easy attachment from the top without any tool. If I manage to get it right. Tuck, click, done. I still need to tie the screws here. As I said, no tools, but you can still secure the rack to the frame with a lock. The seat goes here as an emergency seat, so the tube is also happy if you show them that the passenger has a place. You don't need to change the homologation to solo seat unless you want it, which we do not recommend anyway. And even with the caution on, you can still install the rack on top. So don't need to remove every time. Let's fix this now a bit tighter at both sides. And you can lift the frame, which is quite heavy, from the rack itself. So it's very robust build and secure for you to ride with. This is a Harley Davidson rack, by the way. Once again, plenty to find in the market. And no tooth approval, as the original frame remains untouched. This is the precondition for the tooth most of the time. So you just fit the seat to the original frame, and you fit as well the rack to the frame. There is no need for homologation in this case, as long as they are firmly fixed. Here it comes the rack. Once again, click. We are just learning as well with you. It looks pretty good, I must say. The line fits very well. With and without the caution, this is up to you. Soon we will be able to provide you more information on this transformation kit. This is for now just a prototype, but ready for production. And more information as well on the scrambler kit we showed you in the previous episode. Next, we will install this kit on a customer R80 waiting for us. Don't miss out any new update. Follow our channel for more. Thanks for watching now. See you soon and bye-bye.